So start XAMPP. So once you press 1, you'll see something like this. So you will have Apache has started. You can stop. You can start MySQL, but you probably don't need MySQL right in the beginning. Then it's a FileZilla, which you don't need right now. And Tomcat is more like a middleware, which you probably don't need to start with. Then there are other things. So let's go ahead and write our first PHP program. So to do that, let's download first our editor. So as I was telling you, right, we want to have an editor. Let's go ahead and exit this one. And let's go ahead and download our editor, Notepad++. So you click on download. And then download the current version. And then download the exe. So you save it. So probably it has then you double click it. This is fairly easy to install software. So it will give you something like this. Based on your language, you can choose whatever you want. Then do next. Just I agree. It's a pretty straightforward process. Now here you might want to check. So if you have any other editor, you might want to opt for that. So for example, something called HTML as a default HTML viewer. So if probably you don't have any other editor, better editor, you might want to check this one in. And REST plugin, I think it's fine. Auto completion, auto completion allows you for different file types. I think REST all looks fine. You can say default HTML. Create shortcut on your desktop. So and then install. Okay, so sometimes it is given because I have already another Notepad installation, Notepad++, so that's why it is giving this error. So to do that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to uninstall the existing version. So I've installed it, and let's run on Notepad++. So it's a pretty good and simple software which does a lot of useful things, especially when it comes to programming. So my Notepad++ is still getting launched. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and see where our XAMPP has been installed. So we have So we remember when we started installing, we gave the initial location as CXAMPP. That was a mistake. I should have given only C, because since I've given CXAMPP, it creates another folder called XAMPP. So when you install, you're better off giving just XC, and then it will create a XAMPP folder by itself. So where we want to create our programs is basically htdocs. So it has got already an index program. So if you want to open it, So as you see, this is the okay, let me close this file. So this is our notepad installation. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our first PHP file. So this is our PHP open. So this is our first PHP program, and we will save it in the XAMPP htdocs folder. So C XAMPP htdocs, and then you say select all files from here so that you don't save the file as a different type of file. So you say test.php. So once you save it as PHP file, then you see it understands that it is a PHP file and it puts the correct coloration. Sometimes it might also prompt you if there is a compiler error while typing. So now let's go ahead and test our program. So let's go to the browser, and what you want to do is you want to put the right URL to reach that file. So you say http localhost / now my browser is a little slow today, so just be patient. Test.php. So let's hope it works. Still thinking. As I was telling you, my browser is a little slow today. So let's see. You'll get an error if it doesn't find the file. So first test our localhost. Let's see what is there. Okay, it works. Okay, so we'll continue from our next video because this video has gone over the time which YouTube allows. But we'll see how you can create your own test hello world file and then make it work. Thank you.